Conquer conjunction confusion. Mastering coordinating conjunctions. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to tackle an essential part of English grammar, coordinating conjunctions. These small but mighty words can cause quite a bit of confusion, so today we'll learn how to use them correctly and confidently. Let's get started. Before we jump into correcting errors, let's do a quick recap. Coordinating conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses that are grammatically equal. The most common are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so, which you might remember with the acronym FANBOYS. Now, let's dive into some of the most common mistakes people make with coordinating conjunctions. These mistakes usually fall into three categories. 1. Comma splices. This occurs when two independent clauses are connected with a comma, without a conjunction. 2. Run-on sentences. This happens when two independent clauses are connected without any punctuation or conjunction. 3. Incorrect conjunction use. This is when the wrong coordinating conjunction is used, causing a change or ambiguity in meaning. Next, we're going to work on correcting these common errors. Remember, it's all about practice. Here are some examples. 1. Comma splice. I love ice cream. I eat it every day. Correct. I love ice cream, so I eat it every day. 2. Run-on sentence. I can't swim, I never learned. Correct. I can't swim, for I never learned. 3. Incorrect conjunction use. I didn't have breakfast, or I was running late. Correct. I didn't have breakfast, for I was running late. Now it's your turn. Here are some sentences with conjunction errors. Try to correct them. 1. She is an excellent singer, she is also a talented dancer. 2. I went to bed early, I was really tired. 3. He doesn't eat meat, but he is a vegetarian. Remember, the best way to learn is through practice. So, take your time with these exercises, and try to incorporate coordinating conjunctions into your daily English use. That's all for today's lesson on coordinating conjunctions. We hope that you found this video useful and that it's made your journey towards mastering English grammar a bit easier. Don't forget that learning is a process, and each mistake is just another stepping stone towards fluency. Keep practicing, and you'll conquer any grammar obstacle in no time. Stay tuned for our next lesson, and until then, happy learning!